Okay, sorry about the mess back here. I'm doing a lot of renovation on the little office studio, so hopefully I'll have something nice to show you with that in a little bit. Hopefully not too many years getting that done. Anyway, this is what I've got today. I don't know how well you can see that. Believe it or not, it is not a shotgun in here. This is one of my latest creations. This is my homemade travel guitar. This one is version 2 of the Stubby Travel Guitar, and you can see I've used an old Johnson neck and kind of cut it down and added my logo to it, switched the tuners so that there are 2 and 4, and then it is mounted on this size of body, which is similar but not the same as my old hatchet bass, my old Austin bass that I have, and also looks a little bit like those Hofner guitars, but once again it is not the same shape, it's my own. And I've got a mini humbucker in here and then a hardtail bridge. I tried to get the most compact one I could get, and a couple of Telly style knobs. It's made out of ambrosia maple top, and then the back is cherry. It's curly cherry back there. And then I've got a little ambrosia maple cover on there as well for the pickup, for the controls. So there you can see there. I used some stainless steel screws and some finish washers, stainless steel finish washers, instead of a back plate on here, trying to keep the weight down everywhere I could on it. I did think about doing a floating wooden bridge on it, but opted to go with the hardtail instead because it's a little easier to adjust. Anyway, I'm going to plug it in so you can see what the thing sounds like. I know you're going to be shocked, but it's going to sound like a guitar. There's the jack back there on the back. I don't know if you can see that. It's one of those inline type jacks. They're my favorite kind to use because you don't have to drill a big hole in the guitar in order to get them in there. So you can go with a thinner body. I always try to go with as thin a body as I can because I want it to be lightweight. Mostly in tune this time. Let's give it a shot. Sound. I like the bright mini humbucker sound. Right now, if I were to go to the trouble to improve this guitar, because this one's kind of a prototype, I did actually put a bone nut in it because the original nut that was up here was all cracked. So we swapped that out. I would definitely, if I was going to use this full time, put in some better tuners. These are just whatever came on the neck. And, well, other than that, it's a pretty nice, pretty playable little guitar. Needs a little setup work still, but other than that, I like it, and I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of it on the road. Anyway, hope you guys like it, and, well, I guess I'll see you on the next one.